mocha. That's what I proposed to Sarah 1 year and 1 day ago. So they gave me the wrong burger. This is a chip roll. I got the burger with the lot or something. But as we're en route, we've seen lightning strikes. It's a 70% chance of rain, but we're gonna be bored out of our brains, so we're just gonna drive there anyway and just risk it and see what happens. It's this like false sense of security because you've got the storm clouds on one side, but then it's perfectly blue on the ocean side and just doesn't look like it's raining at all. It's just a couple of drops. A couple of the raindrops never hurt anybody or didn't melt anyone's makeup off their face. You ready? Where are we? Tell everybody, they're dying to know. Quick! It's our last 10 seconds on Earth. 10, 9. If you don't tell anyone, the world's gonna blow up. 8,
It's
7,
the
6,
Minamurra
4,
Rainforest walk.
2. Okay, phew. We're good. Sarah and I are getting married in about 7 weeks. And when I was making this video, the thought of that really sunk in. We've known each other for such a long time, and we're both ready, that's for sure. But just reflecting on the last 8 years, you've put up with my crap, and I've put up with your crap. But ultimately, we've aligned, and we're going the same place in life. So I'm looking forward to spending the rest of my life with you.